Although one of its software components is cleverly named Java Beans, Java is not a beverage, but rather a programming language designed for the internet. In fact, Java is the most popular programming language for Android apps and the most favored for edge devices and IoT development. Java is easy to use and can create complete applications that are designed to run on a single computer or be distributed among servers and clients in a network. There's no one reason as to why Java is so popular. Its success can be attributed to its combination of features and characteristics, including its flexibility, data security, robust code, portability of programs in a network, object-oriented design, and ease of use. Java makes it easy for developers to write programs that employ popular software design patterns and best practices. The Java ecosystem is largely open source, with community-built projects, platforms, and APIs. Java can also be used in the cloud. Developers can build, deploy, debug, and monitor Java apps on Google Cloud at a scalable level. While Java is widely used, the syntax is often criticized for being too wordy and complex, which spurred the emergence of several other languages to address where Java falls short, like Groovy and Scala.